Hello there. Welcome to my tutoring page. My name is André Casal and I have been a software engineer for quite a few years. I am also a tutor. I just want to quickly tell you about what I can help you with in terms of tutoring. So that's like my goal for this video, and then I will let you continue scrolling. So I can help you with digital systems, computer architecture, programming in many languages, and I can also help you with web development. So that means the basics like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but also frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, Svelte, and then the communication with the server like REST and GraphQL, and also the backend like Node, Express, um, DynamoDB, Mongo, SQL, stuff like that. All right, so that's it. I will leave you to scroll the page if you want, and of course, feel free to schedule a tutoring session with me if you feel like you need some help with one of these things, or you just want to have better grades. All right, see you around.